Yeah. It's Big FiGGa. Don't think just because it's got from the Dream Team. 316 Records.
Good morning. Well, I'm going outside to this because I am determined, and my husband and I are determined to get this grass together for this summer / next spring and next summer, and I'm sure it'll be plush and great then. So I'm showing you. Right now it is 7:56 in the morning. My grass the other day on the 1st. So figure this out and see. Alright, here are the grass seeds in the dark area, and it's kind of like dirt right there, discoloration. Well, our grass. And I'll sprinkle. Hi, good morning. Well, I went home. Well, I was already at home, but so I finished my yard work and I'm out the house, obviously. I actually have on my Route 21, kind of like a jean dress with some jean shorts, though, of course, and some black sandals. So I am about to get some gas, and then I am going to get my truck deep cleaned. I feel so bad to let my baby just look any kind of way, but I'm going to get that done as I pump my gas, and then I am probably going to get my nails done. I'm not sure, but I don't want to, but I need to horribly. I've been in the yard, so I had those yard hands. For those of y'all that know what yard hands mean. So I'll talk to y'all in a minute, and I'm about to go put this gas. After all that, I end up passing Smoothie King, and I finally got my smoothie. The purpose of me doing a U-turn, yeah. So now I'm gonna get my truck washed, and I'll talk to y'all. So I just left the car wash, and I'm going to show you all my truck. I should have done it before and after. It was, well, you have children, and you know when you have children, I mean, you run all the time. So, well, I do, anyway, and I have two. But I just have neglected my little black vehicle. I don't understand. Like, I don't know why. Just neglected. I let it stay in the garage. But anyway, let me show you all. So, you can see with my seats, I did a leather detail, and my goodness, this is like the day that I pulled it off the lot. Here's the back seat, and in those creases, it was, I'm sure, all kind of stuff. Hopefully, there wasn't little creatures in there. Sad. But I'm about to get ready to head inside of here to get mine. Oh my gosh. They got all my dog hair. Not all of it, but just enough. It's gonna make my umbrella. But they did a great job. I will say this. The truck looks brand new. So I just finished getting my nails done, and I chose to get like a summer color. Hope you can see it, but this is a gel nail, and it didn't take that long. So I'm heading back into my town area. Like I said, I'm fairly excited about the way that my truck turned out, and it looks very nice. So I wonder, does anybody else out there get all these scam calls from, like, for instance, okay, I was in grad school. I took a few grad school classes, and I actually completed them. And yes, I took out a student loan, but I'm actually paying back on my student loan for grad school. All of a sudden, you know, I cannot stand this, but I get these scam calls.
Oh, okay. So I will notate here on my end. It's the same person with the same name as you. I'm very sorry.
Ma'am?
Yes.
You said I have somebody that used my name for a student loan, is what you're telling me?
Yeah, he stated that.
Yes, ma'am. So that's what I was trying to say. I don't have any additional loans other than that I know of. I mean, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, I do apologize for the call. It's just
about you have an outstanding balance of 2 student loans for $13,000 each. First off, who am I paying for? Not even my master's was $5,000 or so. I mean, but anyways, for the amount of classes I took. And I just get so tired of these scam people calling it all the time. Like, if you have this type of persuasive job, why don't you be like a car salesman or something? I mean, because you got to pick the phone up, call this number, nag this individual, and say they're doing this and this. And I mean, for those who cannot fend for themselves, who actually fall for these scams, I really feel bad for them. And so anyway, but I'm about to get into some heavy traffic, so I'll just talk to y'all. Actually, I'm about to call them folks. You have his number as a point of contact when technically the loan's on my name. Think about it. Look at this line at Chick-fil-A. You have to go around, get in line, and then they come out here and they take your order. I love Chick-fil-A too, don't get me wrong, but I'm glad they put these cones up right here because, yeah, but look at this line at Chick-fil-A. So this is my outfit of the day. I have on my, my Rue 21 Stay Fly. Remember my, this is like a jersey dress. If you don't remember, look at this video. That'll pop up right here. I have on my jean shorts. And I have on, let's see, you can see. My black sandals with my little bracelet, and I have on my rose earrings, of course, with my Apple Watch, and I have on my necklace that says "Remember to Dream" with my ring. And like I said, I got my nails. Oh, y'all can probably see it now. Here are my nails. I love this color. It's a summer color. You know, it's bright. So now I'm at home to see. We'll see with my husband if he wants to get on the camera tonight or not. The kids are not here with us, which is like a very rare chance of both of them being gone. But when they are, we can act like kids. Talk to y'all on the line. It's just so
Two to see
online on me 720.
Okay, I need you to pick what row and what seat number. The ones in the red are already taken.
We'll do row E, right? 70.
We'll do 11 and E11 and 10.
Okay, 1972, swipe your card.
Everybody knows that.
I was gonna go to the Regal. Come on. Well, we gotta go in. Oh, they going right here. So I can do this thing so people be looking. No. Do what?
When people go to the movies, it's not like you're doing something that hasn't been done. That's just...
But it's us. I had to go to the movies to go see. Just get the thing. I'm not gonna record them. Thank you. Wanna get some popcorn? Come on. Give me some sweets. My purse is small. I have Why y'all gotta be leaving me? Don't leave me. She said number 15.
Alright.
Pretty good. I got it. think he said 15. So what's to the right? People in there moving so like 2 seats or something. Well, our date night is over and we just finished watching All Eyes on Me. I want to do a reaction to, well, a review to the movie, and kind of find out that we had a lot in common about back then rappers that we used to listen to. And yes, so I'll try to get this up today, and I'm playing catch up. So, yeah. So you just happen. He did say hello before I turned. Well, are you gonna say hello or good night? It's good night, Mike. Can you say good night, Mike? Anyways, good night, y'all. Bye.